Attention pilot, the passenger has arrived.
Well, there is. Welcome to my ship, sir.
Bruh.
Hello.
Pardon me for the awkwardness, sir. Please head to the cockpit.
Alright.
So, are you ready for our first ever space adventure or tour, sir?
Sorry. What?
Oh, pardon me, sir. I'll explain to you. So, you are now in our space tour program of our company to see and learn about the space with me as your tour guide. My name is Mr. Richard.
But my name is Nguyen.
Wait, what? You know what? Whatever. So, like our schedule, our first tour would be.
What was that?
Oh, that's a meteoroid, sir. And now it's meteor. Maybe it's a meteorite now.
What do you mean? It has three names.
More of a three-phase, sir. Let me explain. So first of all, we got this meteoroid. Meteoroid is some kind of a space rock that's flying over the space freely. Meteoroid has many sizes, from smaller than a grain of sand to bigger than your mother's backyard. They're usually made of or contain metals like iron, etc. and rocks, space rock more specifically. Don't you worry about them. They're just a bunch of peaceful rock. They wouldn't attack you. They wouldn't crash into your planet on fire. Well, except the planet gravity pulled you up. They got pulled by the gravity and head towards your planet at an insane speed of 160,000 km per hour. Once they got the mesosphere layer, they got burned, literally, by the mesosphere, and then they disappear from the heat from refraction with the mesosphere. And that's what we called meteor, or shooting star. But some of the meteor are big enough to survive the mesosphere and reach the Earth's surface. That's what we called meteorite.
Oh, so they're not only meteor?
Exactly, sir. Now that's our first two complete.
Well, what was that button?
Oh, that was a. Wait! Don't press the button!
Oops, sorry. What did? Oh, that wasn't okay.
That was close.
Is that a bigger meteor?
Well, technically yes, but actually no, sir.
Could it hit the bed?
Sir, this wasn't a political video. Well, I wasn't expecting this, like I saw the face of Mulyo.
You signed this isn't a political video.
Sorry, sir. Right. So back to our tour. Would you like me to explain about that to you, sir?
The million?
The asteroid, sir.
Oh, yes.
So, millions years ago, after the Big Bang and the creation of planet, there are some left over from the planet creation that accumulated time by time into bigger pieces, and that's what we call asteroid. And because they are basically planet leftover, they have a relatively larger size than meteors. They could be as big as 900 km in diameter. Just like meteor, they are composed of metal and rock, space rock more specifically. And they don't wandering around freely like meteor, but instead they are orbiting the sun in a specific area, in a specific belt between Mars and Jupiter. You might think we are safe because we are here, but that's actually not really true. Sometimes they are out of the asteroid belt and got pulled by planet gravity. Just like meteor, they travel at insane speed towards the planet. And you know exactly what happened to Earth millions years ago when an asteroid hit us, didn't you? I see you have a big interest in space floating objects, sir. So I know a perfect place for our next tour, sir.
Manhattan?
Please, that wasn't funny.
I am just guessing.
Regardless, sir, our next destination is...
The sun?
Just wait, sir. The comet. So comet, like asteroid, is also the leftover of the creation of the universe. Not like a strong and solid asteroid, comet is weak and fragile. composed from the material like dust, small rocks, and ice. Not only water ice, but also carbon dioxide ice, carbon monoxide ice, ammonia ice, and metana ice. Just like asteroid, who has asteroid belt, comet also has its own orbit to the sun called the Kuiper belt. But its orbit is very oval and stretched. Also, the sun was in the center. When they are close to the sun, their ice particles sublimate into gases. Then the sun winds pull the gases away from it to the back of the comet, and that's what we call the comet tail. They also reflected the light from the sun, and that's why they are also glowing. And because their orbit that was close to the sun was so short, they only appeared once in a specific period of time. Like the Halley comet, for example, which only appeared once in every whopping 76 years. Whatever you say, bro. But they were very beautiful. So how did our tour go so far according to you, sir? Is everything good?
Oh, yes.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that, sir.